What a wonderful place to taste the goodness of God. A wonderful space to feel the grace of God. He brings a hope, a joy, a light from above for every kingdom, girl and boy. What a wonderful day to see the goodness of God. A wonderful way to hear hope from above when we can learn, grow, and love each other and love our neighbor too. Let's sit down, put our feet on the ground, and taste, touch, hear, smell, and see all that Jesus has for you and me on today's episode of FTG. Hi, kids. Welcome to Fetch the Goodness. Welcome, boys and girls, to Fetch the Goodness. We're so excited you're here. We've teamed up with God to bring you an inspiring show about the importance of cleaning our bedrooms. I know it doesn't sound like fun, but it actually can be. We learn to be responsible for our belongings and valuable skills for when we become adults. Putting things in order makes us feel good about our accomplishments, and our bedrooms become a healthier, safer place to be. Now, it's time for our VIW. VIW stands for Very Important Word. Today's VIW is order. Order means setting up or arranging things in their proper places, like a puzzle. Your room is like a puzzle board, and the toys are like the pieces. Putting the toys in the right spots is like putting the puzzle together. Now, let's go see what Jacob discovers about putting his room in order.
Oh, hi, Sarah.
Hey, Jacob. Whoa. What happened in here? I was wondering why you have a sign on your door that says enter at your own risk. Now I know why.
Yeah, it's kind of a wreck.
I thought your mom said you were supposed to clean it up yesterday.
I did.
You did?
Yep. I put my socks away. Then, I must have gotten distracted and forgot to finish the rest.
Oh, I get it. That happens to me sometimes.
Yeah. My friend Lilah's coming over later, and she says she wants to play with my remote control car, but I can't find the remote.
Maybe if we cleaned your room together, we'd find it.
You'd help me clean my room?
Yeah, that's what friends are for.
Gee, thanks. But what if we get bored?
Well, I always make a game out of cleaning my room. Let's turn on some music, then we can make the bed and try to pick up all the toys before the song ends.
Okay, that sounds fun.
Let's go. Done. We did it. Look at your room, Jacob. It's all in order again. And we even found the remote to your RC car.
Hey, you're right. And it only took a few minutes. You're such a great friend, Sarah. I'm so glad you came over before Lilah.
Of course. Now, let's get that sign down before Lilah gets here.
Okay.
Wow, Jacob's room sure had its challenges, but just look at what they accomplished in getting it back into order. Now let's see what Zyon and her little sister Charis are doing in their room.
Hi, I'm Zyon, and this is my sister Charis. Hi! We share a room, and we have a lot of fun playing in it, but sometimes it gets really messy. Messy. Cleaning our room doesn't have to be hard or boring. We like to play music while we clean. And my mom made us a list to help us stay on task. The key to cleaning your room is making sure everything has its own place. So when we clean, we are returning everything back to where it belongs. Our stuffed animals go on our beds. Clean clothes are either hung in the closet or folded and put away. Dirty clothes go in the hamper. Sometimes we like to make a game while we clean, like toy basketball, when we take turns throwing the toys in the toy box. And sometimes we see who can pick up the toys the fastest. Our books go on the bookshelf. I don't know why, but vacuuming is fun. I pretend I'm a race car. I vacuum in rows, making sure I get all the carpet. Sometimes the vacuum cord gets in the way, so Charis helps me by holding the cord. We use the vacuum hose to get the edges of the carpet. After vacuuming, we check our list to make sure we got it all. Thanks for joining us. Bye!
Thank you, girls, for showing us how you clean your room. You made it look like so much fun, and now there's more room for dancing, playing dolls, or dress up. Did you notice that Zyon and Charis had a place for everything? When we put everything in the same spot each time, we'll know right where something is the next time we want it. Like Jacob putting his toys back in the toy chest. Now he'll know where they are the next time he wants to play with them. Oh, it looks like Jacob's friend Lilah is about to enter his now clean bedroom. Let's see how she reacts.
Hey Jacob, your mom let me in and wow, Jacob, is this really your room? It's so clean.
Thanks. Sarah helped me.
I'm so impressed. I'm even feeling inspired to go home and clean my own messy room.
Well, maybe I could help you the way Sarah helped me.
You would do that for me?
Of course. Friends help one another. And Sarah showed me that cleaning a bedroom doesn't have to be hard. It just has to get done.
Really? But what if you don't like cleaning your room? What if it gets so messy that it feels hard?
Well, that's how I felt. I let my room get so messy, I thought it would be too hard to clean up. Then Sarah suggested we make a game of it. So we turned on some music, got to work, and before I knew it, everything was back in its place.
But how does everything have a place? There's so much stuff in my room, it feels messy all of the time.
I guess it's like a puzzle. There is a certain order that the pieces need to go in to make the picture. When everything is put into its place, It creates this cool picture of my bedroom in order, the way it should be.
So everything in your room now has its own place?
Yes, my job now is to keep it like this and not get lazy. To put the remote next to the truck so I know right where it is. To put my clothes in the hamper at night instead of on the floor. To not save food under my bed because, well, that's just plain gross.
You make cleaning your bedroom sound satisfying, like putting the final piece into a puzzle.
Exactly. That's how I felt when I found the remote.
Cool. Ew, Jacob, I think you missed a spot when you were cleaning up.
Huh? Oh, that's where that slice of pizza went.
Well, maybe we can take your remote control car out for a spin and bring that yucky dried up piece of pizza to the trash.
No way. I want to save that to eat later. Just kidding.
Wow, I just love how Jacob shared what he learned about order with Lilah. Keeping order and taking responsibility for our belongings is a valuable skill to learn and makes us feel good about our accomplishments. Jacob, Sarah, Zyon, and Charis showed us that with a little effort, our bedrooms can become a healthier and safe place to be. If you'd like a list to help you create order in your day, you can get it inside the FTG curriculum. You can tell us some ways that you keep order in your room at fetchthegoodness.com. Until next time, always remember, fetch the goodness.